Hello, welcome to Little Antique Me, that's me, and another special edition of Craft or Treat Fridays. Today is another treat, just because it kind of coincided with my Monday's attire, which would be Lily Munster. And so today, instead of Muddy Buddies, we made Munster Buddies. And so my daughters actually helped me with this, and so I'm gonna let them take over.
Here's our ingredients. Combine peanut butter, chocolate chips, and butter. Cook on high for 1 minute or until melted. Stir until smooth. Add vanilla. Pour over cereal and mix until coated. Add Reese's Pieces. Add powdered sugar and then shake.
Once coated, spread on wax paper to cool completely. Store in fridge.
Yum! Thanks so much for watching.
That's really good. And I love that we put the Reese's Pieces in there because they're my favorite candies ever in the entire world. So I really hope you enjoyed Munster Buddies as much as we enjoyed making them. Stay tuned on Monday to learn how I do the Lily Munster look / gray tone look to make me look like I walked out of a black and white movie. I hope you enjoy that. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye!